the year off in a very healthy way, we are going to show you how to make a supercharged green juice. And it contains so many wonderful antioxidants, vitamins, minerals.
I love these.
Yeah.
Whenever you feel tired or super drained, you've had a long day, I swear, like drinking one of these, your energy just boosts 100%.
Yeah.
It's so good.
So it's actually a really great way to start the day. So once you first get up in the morning and if you exercise or whatever, before you have breakfast, drink one of these and it'll cleanse you and energize you for the day. And like Lakshmi said, if you want to have it another time of the day, go for it. To give this even more of a healthy boost, we're going to add a few other things. So we got spirulina, which is a form of seaweed, and it's high in iron and vitamins, minerals. It's a super green. So just put some of that. And I always put in turmeric because it's very anti-inflammatory. So it's very good for the heart and the brain. So just to put a bit of that. And also black pepper because that helps your body to absorb the good properties of the turmeric a bit more. So, and ginger is very good for easing any kind of pain. And it's also good for the stomach. So I'll add some ginger. And I always use cinnamon because cinnamon also helps to lower blood sugar. So if you have diabetes, put some cinnamon in. A little sweeter, there's acai powder here. But you don't have to put that, but it adds sweetness if you don't really want such a bitter taste. You have another powder you put in? No? If you don't want to bother to do all the combination of this, then you can do what Lakshmi's done, and she's found a super greens powder.
At your local chemist, look for a super greens powder with key components like wheatgrass, chlorella, spirulina, even like ginger, and just a few other things along the dark greens side. I've done a lot of research on it. You can do your own research as well. And those are very good for vitality and energy and healing of the body. Yeah.
And if you do have any other specific health conditions, like Lakshmi said, just do a little research and see what spices, vegetables, particular powders might be best for your own health condition, and just put those in as well.
It's definitely better to make sure you do this as well a few times because you just can't beat the raw physical vegetables and fruit.
That's important. And if you did take a protein powder, you could put some of that as well. And I've heard about a new powder coming out. It's called water lentils. And apparently it's a plant source of B12. So if you can get hold of that, you could add that as well. So all you have to do now is add some water and then just blend it. And if you want, you could use coconut water too, which would probably make it a little more sweeter as well. Because obviously bitter melon is bitter. That's why it's called bitter. So let's just blend it. Right, so there you have your delicious, healthy, super green juice. And just put some of it in there. You can see how that tastes.
This is good.
I'll drink some from here. It's pretty good.
Pretty good. Yeah. It's like kind of spicy, like, but it's really nice. You can tell it's gonna do some good.
Yeah, and what about the bitterness? Do you find it like too bitter, or is it okay?
I mean, some people might, but it's not that bitter.
See, I'm used to it because I've been drinking this for quite a long time now.
But it's good. It smells nice too.
And it looks nice, like the green. Cheers to a healthy,
2020.
Happy 2020. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.